community members that I have met over the time I've been here. I've even said if it wasn't for Piñon Project, I wouldn't be on my feet right now.
Every single person that works here at Piñon, we know that change is possible.
Walk into our door and we'll find a way to support you. We meet people where they are, regardless of what that means. We see people and families at all different stages in life, and we've had an amazing impact on this community. The Piñon Project is a family resource center, and we serve the whole range of our community. I think of our services in 3 different buckets. The first being early childhood, which is not only our preschool.
Monday, Tuesday, clap, clap, clap. Wednesday, Thursday, tap, tap, tap.
But we have an array of early childhood programs that support kids from age 0 to 5. Then we have our youth programs that includes our before and after school programming and a summer program. Everything else that we do falls into our family programs, and that's our fatherhood program, a reentry program for folks coming out of Department of Corrections, permanent supportive housing that really has come out of our prevention work around homelessness. We may have 25 programs going on at one time, and it's really just whatever the gap is in our community is the work that we do.
You know, we would see families come in with significant needs. Kids weren't going to school, they didn't have food, and they'd come in and they'd sit down with our staff and make a plan. They'd need help off and on, but a couple of years down the road, they were back on their feet.
I am connected to Piñon Project through multiple programs that I've participated in, and also became a facilitator. Coming from a background of being a recovering addict and alcoholic, when I came into the group I had these like walls up automatically, but as I started to hear others talk about, you know, who they are, where they come from, how long they've been in recovery, it made me feel more welcomed, and it made me feel like a person more than anything, and that's what I needed.
I spent 18 months in Department of Corrections, and then upon my release, they had the Wages program, the Parolee Reentry program. Wages program helped me get the house that I'm still in today. And with that house, my kids got to come home and live with me after not being with me for a little over 3 years. And so just being part of that program brought my family together.
Over the years, we've truly been blessed by a lot of good partnerships in our community and throughout the state. Colorado Trust has been instrumental in so many important initiatives.
I'm aware of a lot of the work the Colorado Trust has done, and what I would say is that the impact on this community is significant.
Because of the support from the Trust, Piñon Project was founded. I do think that it's unique that in a small area that we're in, that a nonprofit has been able to sustain this many years. But our staff has a heart to serve.
I have been clean now for 3 years. We have steady jobs, we have housing now, we have great supporting friends.
It continues to come full circle. We serve kids as youth, and they're coming in and they're saying, you helped me before, you were here for me before. What can we do to be better in this moment? And they start engaging in programs.
When you see people being housed that wouldn't have had another option, when you see families that are together because of the wonderful staff and the wonderful programs that we're able to deliver, it's life-changing.